Hi, Mr. Mopar. How can you tell it's a real wing car?
How can I tell?
How can you tell it's a real wing car? If this car showed up at a car show, how could you tell if it was a real Superbird car? Three things. Well, four things.
Okay.
Right there. That one.
Yeah.
Okay. That right there.
Yeah.
The vinyl top.
Yeah.
The back window. Let's go around the back. Right there. Spacer. The vinyl top. The back window. Because when they changed the back window, the bodywork was horrendous. So they had to put a vinyl top on it. So all of that tells that it's a real wing car. And look at that.